Hey, File. We caught her up. Isn't she cute?
Yeah, we did.
Right? Yeah, you know about the deal. It's you we want. Come here. You're gonna save us, right? Well, for the big deal, right? Now, we actually fall in love with you. You're gonna save us, right? Come on, don't be nervous. We're just here for you. Yeah, it is. Val and I, we're gonna love you, right? Well, we caught you and you fell asleep. So we tied you into our place. Yeah. Val just tied you because I did. We both tied you, right? Yes. We do. Now. Right now. And see what it is. I love you. Yeah. I just chopped him up with my scase, right? So now you're with me, right? Now, stay here.